Instructions for your COVID-19 testing kit. Please be sure to read the package insert carefully upon receiving your kit, as it is very important that you follow the directions. Your testing kit will contain the following: 1 testing cassette, a buffer, and 1 dropper. Alcohol pad and a blood lancet are needed, but not included in the test kit. Open the foil pouch and place the test cassette on a clean, flat, level surface. Disinfect the donor's fingertip by using an alcohol pad before drawing the blood sample. Gently squeeze the fingertip and use a blood lancet to draw blood. Use the provided plastic dropper to draw the proper amount of blood. Holding the dropper vertically, add 1 drop of blood to the specimen well labeled S on your testing cassette. Then immediately add 2 drops from the buffer to the buffer well labeled B on your testing cassette. Wait for the colored lines to appear. The result should be read within 10 minutes. Positive results may be visible as quickly as 2 minutes. Any interpretation after 15 minutes should be considered invalid.